People often use Excel at work for showing progress over a period of time. This could be for sales, customer acquired, or any other data. While it is fairly easy to perform numerical calculations in Excel, you can take your presentation a notch higher by using visual cues. Conditional formatting is a great option, but today I'll show you how do you use images as visual cues. In this example, I've shown a calculation which shows the percentage change between sales for 2 years. What I want to show is a visual marker along with the percentage change value. If you look at the cells F1 to H2, there are 3 images that represent increase, decrease, and same as last year. Let's start by writing a formula to get the right image in one of the cells. We will write a simple index and match formula. If this function is new for you, then I will leave a link in the description for you. Index, first parameter is array, and we will select cells F2 to H2, as we want to display one of the images from these cells. Fix the reference. The next parameter is row. We only have one row, so we will type 1 here. For the column, we will write a match function. Based on the value in the cell C2, we will select if you want to display the image for increase, decrease, or same. The first parameter match expects is the lookup value. Match returns the position of the lookup value. Therefore, we will need to convert the numeric value into increase, decrease, or same. We can do that using a simple nested if statement. If the value in the cell C2, fix the reference, is greater than 0, that means it is an increase in sales. So we will write increase. Make sure the spellings are same as the cell F1. Else, for value if false, we will start the next if statement. If the value of cell C2, fix the reference, is less than 0, that means it's a decrease in sales. And for the value if false, we will write the only other option, same. The nested if statement will return the lookup value. Now for lookup array, we will select the values in the cell F1 to H1. Fix the reference. For match type, we will write 0 to indicate exact match. Close the bracket for both the match and the index function. We get this formula and we will copy and paste it in a defined name. Let's call it result. Now the last step. We will copy one of the images and assign the value result to it. This is the name we had just created. Crop the image slightly if needed. Since the current year sales are more, an upward pointing green arrow is displayed. Let me change the last year's sales value to be more than current year's sales. Now a downward pointing red arrow is displayed. And finally, I'll make the value same. And a horizontal amber color bar is displayed. So that's how you work with images. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topic you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.